Hey guy, do you like fried chicken? Oh, my family love KFC, but we know that it's not healthy to eat there frequently. Thus, we cook it at home. Today, I'm going to make crispy fried chicken in Viet style with you fish sauce. First of all, we wash the chicken and let all the water drop down. Cut chicken wings to three. Cutting the wing at the tendon is easier. For the drumstick, I do 2 or 3 slices each side, that they will be cooked well later. Marinate the chicken with the chopped garlic and 1 spoon of sesame oil. If you cannot find sesame oil, vegetable oil will be fine. And leave it for 15 minutes. I'm making 2 options of fried chicken. I dress a half of the chicken with flour before deep fry and another half without the flour. Let's see the difference by watching until the end of the video. For any options, you need to remove the garlic before fries. Otherwise, this garlic will be overpriced. Making the fish sauce, you pour about 1/3 bowl of fish sauce, then add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add some black pepper and mix them well. Now I'm gonna fry them. I will fry the half without the flour first. Remember, unfrozen the chicken properly that you can fry easily. If not, when you fry, the outside is overcooked, while the inside still raw. Many people use microwave to unfrozen food fastly. I do it sometimes, but the food wasn't unfrozen nicely. The outside will cook a little bit as steaming, while the inside still cold. Therefore, I will bring the chicken from freezer compartment down to refrigerator size the night before. Then take them out about 15 minutes before start cooking. I turn the side. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to deep fry. It is better to fry with the deep skillet that your chicken can sink properly inside the vegetable oil. that when it turns yellow, take all of them out. The drumstick take longer to dip, so we leave it for 1 or 2 minutes more. And then I add in the chicken with the flour and dip. So when you dip in, you fry, remember add in the chicken drumstick first because it takes longer to fry. That now we turn it, and you can tell from here that the chicken with the flour, the color is nicer. Use high temperature when you fry, that have your chicken will be more crispy. The smell so good. Heat the oil in a new skillet. Add in the chopped garlic. And from here, remember lower the temperature. And then mix the fish sauce before you add in the pan. The smell so salty because the fish is very salty. Then add in the chicken. And from here, you can tell the one with flour and without by the color. You see the one with the flour, the color is more like yellow, red, like between red and yellow, and the other the color very bland. And cook them all about 3 to 4 minutes until the fish sauce absorbs nicely into the chicken. The smell made me so hungry. Yeah, put them in the plate. Looks so yummy. Look at the chicken drumstick. So nice. Are you hungry? With a bowl of steamed rice, my dinner is ready. Okay, it's ready. So we try. So we check whether the one that we put the powder and no powder was better. No, this one yummy. Let's try the one without the powder. This one is also savory, but it's not crispy. The skin not crispy.
No.
Okay, until you will. Bye bye. Thumbs up and subscribe my channel for new video every week. Bye bye.